How infrared no-release molds are sampled. Let's start by putting it together. Place the chamber on the lever. Then take a small sample. Gently shake the mold, keeping it flat. The upper lever is then putting into the cavity. Finished assembling. Next, we'll start pressurizing. Start the tablet press first. There's a lot of parameterization going on here. Click on one of the pressure can be set. Selection of release pressure 1 ton. Time can be set for 5 seconds. This is the timing switch. You can choose to turn it on or off. Turning it on means it has a 5-second hold time. Turning it off cancels the timing mode. It's usually on by default. These are our operating parameters. Then let's try the pressurization. First, place the assembled mold in it. Put it in the center. Just click on Pressurize after pressing. You can see that this side just showed a ton. Then it held pressure for 5 seconds. Then remove the mold. Direct compression molding without demolding. You can see the samples right here in the center. That's it.